Hi, I'm Luis Law. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to simulate the HC SR04 ultrasonic distance sensor using Wokwi and the ESP32 board. So basically, two components you have to add it in Wokwi. The first component is the HC SR04 ultrasonic sensor. It's a popular ultrasonic sensor used to measure distance by emitting sound wave. It has 4 pins. The first one is the VCC, then the trigger is the second one, equal is the third one, and the last one is the ground. And the second component is the ESP32 board. We will use the ESP32 board. It's a powerful microcontroller with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So this is the coding here for the IoT system, and after you added the component in Wokwi, make sure the VCC is connected to the 3v3 output from the ESP32, and the ground connected to the ground, and the trigger connected to 22 and 23. Here you can change the coding if you want to change, but make sure the pin that you're using is accordingly to the code here. So after you have set out everything, you can try to run the simulation. So you can see the distance here measured is 119, and you can change by editing the ultrasonic distance sensor. From here, I change to 158, so the output is different. And that's it. You have successfully simulated the HC SR04 ultrasonic sensor with the ESP32 on Wokwi. Thank you for watching.